damn it. Redo the video. Well, hello everybody, my name's Little Frizzy. This is my second attempt trying to film this. So I am taking apart this. I'm taking apart something else. I was like 9 minutes in and I need to take my medication, and I was like, oh, maybe I can click out of the app, and then because I have YouTube Red, and I was like, maybe I can click out of the app and like disable the alarm till tomorrow. But no, I clicked out of the app and then into the video. But it was 8 minutes in, and 9 minutes in, and all I really did was that because I was trying to get these two screws out. They're just too deep in, and I can't get them. So yeah, what you really missed was I had this on my chest. About there, and I was just doing that. So yeah, it's. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm doing Iron Man stuff and I have a flashlight on, I just appreciate Marvel and DC. So if you're wondering how this works. So, we have a chisel. We have a hammer. We have screwdrivers and stuff. I have a big, broken, stingy, flathead screwdriver. And I have a big chisel. So, what I've done so far is I've gotten this chisel, and I've just hammered that in. So, yeah, maybe we can get some more out of this. So yeah, and also if you also want to know, not if you're also wondering, yeah, because I'm going to show you this. I've showed you this guys before, but it shoots out like Spider-Man does, like the Spider-Man stuff does. Except Spider-Man stuff is webs. But those are supposed to be missiles. So yeah, keeping these, that's for sure. And if you're wondering the reason that I'm taking this apart is because this does no longer work. Ow, I just hit my hand with the hammer. Oh, whew. Alright, took like literally like a second break there. I paused it, and like a second later I unpaused it. This is hard, man. I don't have a whatchamacallit? I don't know what they call it. Yes. Alright, I got this off. Now something just fell out, and now all that has lube on it, that is lubed up and ready to go. Pull that out. So that is the connecting wires. They are in here. Oh. Look, man. Look, man. So I am going to... What am I going to do? I'm going to do it here. Yes. Exactly where I wanted to do it. Fuck, I keep hitting my fucking hand. Ow, cunt. Fuck. Ah, please don't monetize me, YouTube. I keep hitting my hand with a fucking hammer. And that, kids, is why you don't play with stuff like this. You know what? Let's do this then. Alright, let's do this then, shall we? That is what we want. Alright. Now, if you're wondering what just happened, get it back in there. I just got it in there. Look at that. So, and now I am about to pop it open. I can't get it open. I don't want to hit myself. Oh, I know what I can do. So, if you guys see this opening right here, I'm going to stick this along the side of it, and I'm going to pop it out bit by bit. See how that goes. If you would, please turn your cameras over. Got a little bit of a cord there, so that's my charging cord. I'm charging my phone. God damn it! How do I move this away? There we go. Sort of. Fuck! There we go. That's better. So if you would please turn your cameras to the side. Either that or camera is messed up right now. And I'm just going to take this apart bit by bit. You know, as you do. And I'm going to stick it in there, hammer it a little bit, pop it out that ways, keep doing that, keep popping it out this ways. The more you do that, bigger chance it is for it to pop open. Now all I need is this side to pop. Now I need to do a little bit more, then a little bit more on this side. Oh, this equipment's going to be red after this. So pop that open a little bit. Ooh, look one. Do not try this at home, kids. This is very dangerous and not something you should be doing. Depends on how old you are. So there we go. That is it. This, my good friends, is what is inside of an Iron Man hand. So what we've got right here is I'm gonna take this apart and see if I can get into it. Oh, what is there is actually something in here. Hey, how you doing? This one. There's something in that little goldy bronze looking thing. There's actually something in there. And I'm going to find out what is in there. So, yeah, I'll see you after the hot one. Alright. For the moment... Fucking hell. For the moment of truth, to find out what is inside of this thing, the moment, really? It's, I think this is how they get the batteries in. They, as in the production managers of this toy. The people that own this, yeah. That's all it is inside. Is just... My fan turned off. No, that's not how life works. There we go. And that is stuck in there, man. Whew. There's gonna be a lot to clean up in here, but I will do it today because I have to. Alright, so this is what is inside. Oh, I can keep going. I can keep taking these off. And you know what? I'm going to There's more screws to take off, huh? More and more screws to take off. Let's I think I found the thing that detects the movement and sets everything up and makes it noisy and stuff. So I believe it is this thing right here at the top. There is something right there. I've got a iPod here. So I don't know if you can see it, but that black thing that's connected to the top of that, there's something in there. That's all it is. So I'm going to rip that out. I'm going to rip all of the cords out because we do not need them. Alright, and then I'm going to take these screws off, and I think I found a fan. I think there is a fan in there. For some reason, there is a fan. I think. I'm not 100% sure. Where is lettuce tin? Do not need that. Do not need it. Do not need it. Oh, almost cut myself. Cut away from me. Do not need that. Walk in. Help. Alright, let's go in there. So all those are going in there as well. They're going in there as well. And those are all the cords. So now let's get over deep back into this. It's gonna be a long-ish video. So, and again, the videos of mine aren't that long anymore. Used to be all below 10 minutes. That 10-minute rule came in. But, you know, it's like, I mean, then again, I don't get it to 10 minutes because I want money. I don't think I even get my videos monetized. I don't really watch my videos because they're shite. Oh, alright, well those are the cartridges. Right there, alright, whoa. Well, you got a magnet in here. Magnetizing. What? Magnetization in this thing. That's cool. I wonder if it's a strong magnet. I doubt it. It's in a kid's toy. You know what? I'm gonna see something. Alright, screen's a little crooked. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. Oh, what is this? Alright. What is this? Now I know this is magnetic, as you can see. Magnetic. And I'm gonna pick up all the screws. It's a great way to pick up screws. Let's get this extra screw out. Oh my god. What can took you long enough, lad? Pick up that. Pick up that. Pick up that. Wow, there's so many. Wow, that's a good magnet. So yeah, let's actually break the stuff around it so we can get to the magnet. Well then, here we go. Wondering why there is a magnet in there. I do not know. But oh, we've also got the motherboard with the switch. Ah, so it's just a normal switch, and it had it's a normal switch like that, and it had this thing stuck in it, so it just moves with it. I got that out. You can get the cartridges out, and by cartridges I mean by cartridges I mean destruction. Oh, look, man. And by cartridges, these are the things I was talking about. Whoa. Yeah, that's cool. Where did they go? Huh? What the fuck? The fuck happened there? I don't know. So this is definitely going on my collection of stuff. So yeah, you know what? We're gonna take about this right now. I have to go to the toilet. Back from the toilet. I don't have much room back here. So ooh, look, helipad. Haha. We're gonna take this part out. This has lube on it, so if I can cut that off, or yes, man. Where'd that go? Where'd that go? Behind my fucking phone, that's where it went. Alright, just attaches to it next to there. Oh, wait a second. Is that a place to put it? No, it's not. No, you're not put it next to the power point. You know what? It's just gonna dangle here. It's gonna dangle here for a little bit. So yeah, let's get into this thing. See if I can actually cut this. I don't think so. So I'm going to use an alternate method. And see if I can cut into it. With this, oh, there we go. Which I don't think is working. So maybe let's try the side then. Because I want to get this. I want to leave this as intact as I possibly can. Because it looks, oh, so good. Oh, so breezy. I have an idea. Great idea, mate. Alright, let's stick it in between my toes. If I can, don't judge me. Really uncomfortable. That, my good friend, that is how you pop something like this open using skill, strength, and knowledge. And that is how you pop them out with a cord. With a thing. Oh, this. Oh, look, man. Look, man.